Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Muhammad Kamar, and today is the day 40 for 3 years machine learning challenge, where we have challenged ourselves to learn the complete machine learning from beginning to advanced. And so far we have learned the Python programming language, and right now we are practicing the Python programming language for the 2 months. And so far we have practiced it for the first week. This is what we have covered so far in the previous videos. For the last 2 or 3 days I didn't create any video because of some work I got from an academy. Let me show you guys here that I was creating a website. By the way, I don't know that much coding, so I was using the AI, which is a black box AI, and it helped me a lot in creating a website. And let me guys show you that this is what the website I have created using the AI so far, and it is still under the construction, you can say that, under development of course. So because it also, since I, of course I am doing it using AI, but still it takes time, as the AI takes so much time to understand me what I want to say. Okay, so this is what I have created so far, and here you can see that. And here we can convert it into a dark mode, so you can now have a look of this again. So right now this website is not containing any actual the real data. It is just you can say that a placeholder data. Okay, but we will work on it uh, with the time being, so we will update it. Right now it is just a one page website. Here you can see that, right? Okay, let me show you just that it is working but not uh, fully working. Okay, so yeah, for the last 1 week we have covered the basics and loops in Python programming language, but from now we are going to start the second week, which is about the strings and the list in Python. Okay, so I have created a new week, a week 2 folder here, and inside this folder I am going to create a new file. But before that I have to go and check for the day 8 module, or day 8 program. Okay, so the program here is that reverse a string without slicing. By the way, slicing is very easy method of reversing a string, but it is saying that reverse a string but without slicing. So let's first of all just copy it from here and make a new folder here, a file here, that which I guess number 8, right? 8 underscore reverse a string in Python. Okay, then we will just add dot py here, and I think it is okay, it is perfect. So now what I have to do is that just write the subject here. Subject, it is going to be again this reverse a string in Python without slicing in Python, right? Then I am going to write the author name, which is going to be the Muhammad Qamar. Then the date, today's date is 16th September 2025, right? And now just comment it. Okay, so what we are going to do is that reverse a string without slicing in Python. So for this, let's just ask the ChatGPT here that how we can reverse a string without slicing. Just give me an idea, not code nor hints. Okay, I just want to understand basically. The core idea of reversing a string without slicing is that you need to read the process, the string from the end towards the beginning, and build a new string in that order. That's the whole concept. Instead of taking it as it is, you rebuild it backwards. What is the real life analogy? Like flipping something, it sticks better. Okay, so okay, Give me some examples. Give me some examples. So like here we have the commerce, so we will do it like this. And okay, if I have that Bilal Sara Ahmed, then we will have that Ahmed Sara Bilal Ali, or if we have hello, then we will see it like this Ole or something else. Okay, something like that. So here first of all I have to write the pseudocode first of all, of course, right? So write this like this, then pseudocode, then again like this. All right, step one is going to be take the input from the user, take a string as an input from the user. Okay, and then the second step is going to do that we will make a variable or empty variable. Okay, empty, let's just select it. All right, then in the third step, why I'm taking a variable empty, it is just like the program, I guess we were reversing a number, right? So uh, we have created a reverse, a variable named reverse. So like that, this is what, like the logic is almost same of every program. Okay, so it is not a big thing. So that's why I'm making a variable in pt, which inside which I will store the reverse string. Then what I should do is that I will do that, apply a loop. Okay, apply a loop on the string. Right now I don't know which loop I should use, the while or the for. That's why I'm just using that apply a loop on the string. Okay, then what I will do next is that I will, should I break it or what should I do? I guess I should append, like what should I do here? If I get the iteration and the last iteration, it is like a little hard for me, because if it was for slicing, so it would be more or much easy for me. But right now, since it is in the I have to do it without slicing, so it is a little difficult for me. So what I can do is that I will remove the last letter and add it into, let's say we call this empty as reverse. Okay, reverse into reverse. Okay, what should I do with that? Like I want it to be more, I will use it like this. Okay, so it is a variable. I will add it to the reverse, and then what should I do next? Like removing the last letter and adding it to the reverse step by step. And then number fifth step is just going to be like the print the output, I guess. Let's just give it a try. I am not sure if it is going to be the Python code, it will work or not, I don't know, but we can start it by the way. Let's make a string input, let's say str1 equals to input. Inside it I will say that enter a string this, right? Here the user will input the give me an input as a string. Then what I will do is that make a reverse variable inside. I will make it empty, like this is an empty string. Then what I will do is that let's say I apply the for loop for I in, let's say, in range of word, in range of string. And then what I should do that in range of string, comma, -1, comma, -1, also -1. So why I am doing this is that this is the starting position of the string, right? So what it will do is that it will start from the -1, which is, you can say that if I have a string, let's suppose a string, if I have a string here, let's say Muhammad, okay? So the -1 is the D here, okay? So it will start from the D, and then it will step back, step, these are the this is the ending point, control Z, this is the end, and this is going to be the steps. So it will come like the reverse way, okay? And I think I should come to the 1, not to the 1 but to the 0. So I should add here the 0, I guess. Okay, let's say add here a 0, okay? All right, then what should I do? That reverse, inside the reverse I will store the string dot pop. Okay, why dot pop? We have studied about the pop, that pop will remove the last letter, the last iteration, or the last index, okay? So it will store inside this. Then I will remove reverse equals to reverse plus reverse, I guess. It will first of all store inside this, and then inside this reverse I will add another reverse. Let's now print the reverse, okay? Run it. Okay, unsupported operands types, string for oh, okay, so here I have to add 1 here, okay? Unsupported operand type is for string and integer, okay? So then I guess I have to do this. Let's clear up the terminal, or just kill the terminal. Again, okay, let's just remove this, okay, from here. This time I will write a comma. String object cannot be interpreted as an integer, okay? It cannot be operated as an integer. So what should I do then? Okay, let's just run it like this. String object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Okay, let's just give it to the chat GPT and just ask for the just give me understanding, not code nor hints, okay? Let me give you understanding only, not for not hints. Your pseudocode is already very close to real logic. The main understanding here is that you start with an empty container where the reverse string will be built. Okay, then you go through the original string and take letters from the end list instead of the beginning. Okay, each time you pick a letter from the back, you add it into the new container. And once you have gone through all letters this way, the new container holds the reverse version. Okay, so what I have to do is that I have to go through this, then I guess 1 comma what is happening here, I don't know, by the way. uh was not closed, line number 18, column 15. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, but it is closed right here. This is line 18 and 48 column. I don't know what it is saying. RNG range, right? Okay, now let's make it like this, and then the string 1. It is again giving me the error here. Okay, so I want to go through like this. That for I in range of, not for I in range, let's just go through the string. Okay, not the range. For I in string, and let's now I will write the comma here. Dot pop string has no attribute dot pop. How to remove the last letter and add it in new container. Okay, give me understanding, not code nor hints. To remove the last, you imagine picking up the block D, holding it in your hand, but how we can do it? Which method I can use for this? Remove the last letter major string because strings are immutable. There isn't a built. Okay, so there is not a built-in method because strings are immutable, they can't be changed in place. So treat the string like a sequence. You can access in last element, work with it, but the string itself won't sharing. Convert the string into a list. Lists are mutable, so you can actually go through that. Okay, so what I can do here is that I convert the string into a list. Okay, so what I will do here is that string one, let's say it is called, we call it, okay, this string 1 equals to list constructor type casting, and then the string 1. Okay, then we will, okay, we are actually doing what here, that I was writing the 1 here. Just run it. Okay, now I have the M and M and nothing else. Wait for a minute, just do it once again like this. Okay, string String has no attribute. Okay, let's say just remove it. Okay, make it again like this, the string. Then I will do it like this, the string, and then I am removing the pop and inside. Okay, okay, now it has this. So what the pop function do? Okay, how I can remove the last element from list. So the last block, to remove it, just use top of block stack. The action gives both same time. The operation is done in short. Pop off. So I am actually popping it off, but okay, just let's try ask for the hints. Okay, give me some hints. To remove and return the element to the same string. Hence it sounds like that you have a balloon. Okay, so it is actually saying about the pop. Strings are not changeable, so if you want to use this method, you first need to convert the string into a list character, which I have already done. Each time you remove a character from the end, you add it to a new string container. So remove keep repeating this till until the list is empty and your container held the string. With these hints, you should be able to refine your pseudocode. Actually, it is a very good hint. I didn't get any hint by the code hint, but this was the best way, I guess. Okay, so I'm converting it into a string, the list into a string, the string into a list, and then for I in range of this list. Okay, what I will do is that string one dot pop, it will pop. So what it will do then, it is storing inside this, and let's just remove it from here, I guess. Not just remove it from this, but okay, I will just add it like this. I guess everything is same, but it is giving me the why the M and M, like M is here only one time, right? So it is removing the M from here. Pop, what should I pop here? Index supports index -1. Okay, so it is removing the -1. Then it is again, so what it is doing that. All right, so I will then apply the range function here to specify it. Now let's run it again. Okay, unsupported operand type s for list and integer. Okay, so what should I do then here? It is basically a very, you can say that, hard for me right now how to solve this problem here. If you guys know that, you can comment down that how we can do this. Here I am having the range